Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello again, my name is Fafa Gilbert and welcome to my creative African cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa.
Thank you all very much for making 2017 quite special for me. Thanks for your likes, your support, your hugs, your inspiration, your encouragement. I couldn't have done this without you guys. Akbalo, Medase, Oyualado. So today on the menu, I'm actually showing you how to make a very simple and equally delicious passata sauce. Now, passata sauce is really tomatoes with some spices that's been cooked down, and that just saves you time whenever you actually want to create a recipe or cook. Because usually when you have to make your stew and stuff, the tomatoes has to boil down, and that might take another 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So, shaving that off your cooking time is quite a big ask, and it's quite good. So what I do is I usually actually blend my tomatoes and also some onion, ginger, and garlic together. So if I have a kilogram of tomatoes, I have about 30 grams of ginger, 1 large onion, and about 3 cloves of garlic. So with the blended tomatoes, I transfer that into a saucepan and place it on a medium heat. I bring that to a boil for about 25 minutes, and then I blend both my ginger, onion, and garlic together into beautiful thick paste. I then add my blended ginger mixture to the tomato sauce and cook it down for a further 30 minutes or until the tomato sauce actually becomes thicker. Now, the thickness of your sauce would be more of a personal preference. If you prefer it to be thicker, then you cook it longer. If not, if you want it slightly on the thinner side, you actually cook it less. So once you've actually cooked it down, let it completely cool down, and then you can actually reserve your tomato mixture in a bowl and place it in the freezer or in the fridge and use it as and when a recipe requires it. So this is a very clever way of shaving off about 20 to 30 minutes of your cooking time. Now, this tomato base is great in making your pizzas, moussaka, lasagna. There are a lot of things you can actually make with that. So you now know where my next recipe is going. So even though this is a simple one, there's a reason for it. Exactly.
Now I'll tell you what, I love food. Simple as that. I like good food and I like to make it myself because I find it rewarding and I also find it therapeutic as well. So if you actually like food, you love exploring food as well and exploring new ingredients and learning why other people cook the way they do or finding similarities with our dishes to other dishes, then yes, this is a channel for you because I love to explore and I love to eat. So yeah. If you've not clicked that subscribe button, I think you should do so now. Yeah. And yes, that notification button, the ding dong. Yeah, click that one too.
We'll find equally inspiring recipes on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. Now, do not forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And you need to be sharing these videos with your family and friends because you never know, you might win something. So yes, we need to grow this channel. We need to move to the next level. I appreciate all your love and your likes and comments and everything. Happy New Year, by the way. I love you. Take care of you and be you always. Don't change for no one. Just be you.